Hello, students. We are going to study equation of plane progressive simple harmonic waves. It is very important, very important, because if this is not clear to you, the waves will be not clear to you. You will cram, you do rectification, it will be not clear. So, in this case, directly in wave motion, simple harmonic waves, the equation motion which follow the sine function, cos function are the sum or difference of sine and cos function. This is the harmonic waves. So, in this case, in waves, suppose this is an wire, you are vibrating this wire. So first of all, this point starts vibrating. This point starts completing SHMs, starting SHM motion. After time t, from this at x distance, there is this point, and this point will start oscillating. In this way, first of all in the wire, this point will oscillate. According to SHM motion, in time t, this is time t, this is omega t, is the phase angle of this. So, this will lag by phase angle with respect to this. So, SHM motion of this particle y x is 0, x and t, y x t equal r sine omega t plus phi naught. This is SHM equation. Motion of the particle under SHM motion is this. You can write in cos function also, and from this is x is 0, that is I am showing this is the x and this is the 0, and later on after time t, wave is reaching at this point and this particle will start vibrating. So y x position at time t, after time t, this is just starting, and after time t, x is 0 at this position, this is the displacement. Now this point displacement, so that is y x t equal r sine omega t minus kx. Practically, there is, if between this and this is one wavelength, and phase difference by path difference is lambda, and phase difference is 2 pi. So in this, what will be the phase difference? That is phase difference at 2 pi, if path difference is lambda, phase difference is 2 pi, so at x distance, this will be the phase difference. If path difference is lambda, phase difference is 2 pi, then what will be? The phase difference if path difference is x. Unity process applied. By this system, you calculated phase difference between this point and this point. This point will lag by the phase plus phi naught. This is equation. And you may represent this in cos function also. That is x, capital X I am writing, or you can say y only, no matter. yxt equal r cos omega t minus 2 pi by lambda x plus phi naught. You may represent in cos function also, no matter, as you wish. So this is the case. So at the present I am removing this cos function, and because I'll taking only sin function 1 only, I am proceeding this. So if any doubt in this, please clear. Now transformation are made. So xt is r sin omega t minus 2 pi by lambda kx plus phi naught. Strictly here 2 pi by lambda is represented as propagation constant. We call it propagation constant or angular wave number, and 1 upon lambda is called only wave number. This is the angular wave number, and 1 upon lambda is wave number. Angular wave number 2 pi by lambda, a propagation constant. In this 2 pi by lambda represented by k. So this is this one, and you know very well that is one thing I am showing you. Velocity is frequency into lambda. It is very important. You know it very well. That is velocity equal nu lambda, and a frequency, the nu frequency is 1 upon t lambda, and in this is the distance. By distance, this is the lambda, and time is t from this point to this point, wavelength lambda, and time is t. So 1 upon equal 1 upon t, and distance upon lambda upon t, distance upon time from this to this is time period. This is also velocity, distance upon time, and this is, and t equal 2 pi by omega, then lambda upon 2 pi by omega. So, and lambda upon 2 pi is k. This is the k omega. K you have studied. This is propagation constant, angular wave number. This is 2 pi by lambda. This is the k. This relation are very important. This must be in your memory. Their concept must be clear. So you have studied that in SHM motion, V equal nu lambda. In wave, SHM wave equation, V equal nu lambda, and this is lambda upon t, below distance upon time, and t equal 2 pi by omega. So this is the k omega. So velocity, linear velocity, the omega is angular velocity. So V equal k times of angular velocity, and k is angular wave number. So you may represent this, you may transform. This is the basic equation. Now you'll transform only. That is r sine omega is 2 pi by t. R omega is v upon v by k. You may write v by k as you wish. V upon k t minus kx plus phi naught equal r sine, and k equal 2 pi by omega. You can take k as a common, so it is omega is v by k. So take it, k you have taken as a common, so this will be k is out. At this point, what will happen? Practically v upon k, that is v equal k times of omega upon k, this is cancelled, this is only omega. So k you have taken, this is at this point there is vt minus x omega t minus kx. 1 minute please. Hello, yes, very sorry, I am wrong at this place. 2 pi by lambda is the k. You have studied 2 pi by lambda is the k. It is represented by the k. So this is the omega upon k. Sorry, omega upon k. So v equal omega upon k. Sorry, omega upon k. This will be. So here you will omega equal v times k times of v. So here we will write k times of v. Omega, in place of omega we will write k times of velocity into t. Now take k as a common, so this is vt minus x plus phi naught. This is the equation. This is yxt, equation of a v. Its meaning must be clear to you. What does it mean? This is y is the displacement of a particle that is at x distance from the main position and at time t. This is SHM motion, displacement of the particle along this. And v is the velocity of the waves. The v is not the velocity of the SHM motion, velocity of waves, with which velocity wave is moving forward. So practically this is a string. In this string is not moving. Vibrations, positions, disturbance in string is taking place. So a design is formed. The design velocity, the design is formed. This design velocity is the wave velocity. So velocity of the wave v is along this, and that is this. So further you may represent this yxt equal r sine k is 2 pi by lambda, and vt, velocity, you may write velocity distance upon time, lambda upon t into t minus x plus phi naught. You may represent in this way too, if you in terms of small t and capital T, and you may write it further transformation can be done. So this is your answer. Now further you may transform. You can take lambda as a common, so this lambda will be out, the lambda cancel, and from this you may write x upon lambda. that is lambda you have taken common, so here x upon lambda. So if you want to write, you can. I am writing it further. I am reviewing this. So y xt equal r sine 2 pi by lambda. Again lambda you are taking common, so this is t upon t, capital T, time period, and minus x upon lambda plus phi naught. This is, and lambda cancel, that is y xt equal r sine 2 pi t upon t minus x upon lambda plus phi naught. This is, so there are main equation is this. This is the r sine omega t, y xt equal r sine omega t plus phi naught, and this is equation y xt equal r sine omega t minus 2 pi by lambda times of x plus phi naught. This is the fundamental equation. You must learn this, and this can be converted in this form, omega t minus kx. In this form you can convert in this and this. So according to requirement, according to question requirement, it can be transformed. This is not a learning point. Learning point is only this: how will you write equations in terms of sine function. So progressive simple harmonic wave will be in, you can write it. I am writing again. So plane progressive simple harmonic wave y xt equal r sine omega t plus minus kx plus phi naught. Correctly, why plus minus? If wave is moving along this, there will be lagging in the phase angle, but if wave moving along this, so there will be plus sign, increase in wave, increase in phase angle. If wave is moving like this along this, so equation is y xt r sin omega t minus kx, y xt equal r sin omega t minus kx plus phi naught. But if wave is coming along this, then y xt equation will be r sin omega t plus kx plus phi naught. Now phase angle will increase. It is not in decreasing order, it is in increasing order. So next I am going to teach you, that is in reflected wave. This is a reflecting wave. So this is vibrating first. Let it is like this. Let it is like this, and it is reflecting back. It is coming back like this. So this particle will vibrate first, and this secondary So phase angle of this will lead with respect to this. So not decreasing, increasing. So that is the plus kx. That's why. Now, this plain simple harmonic wave, you may write cos function also. Yxt equal r cos omega t plus minus kx plus phi naught, and their addition also can be written. So in addition, that also I am writing yxt or sxt, you may write sxt. So what will happen? Very simple. Very simple. In this case, suppose there are two waves. There is one wave and this is. And if I am changing their amplitude A and B, let its amplitude is A and its amplitude is B. So their superimposed weight, this let it is y1, let it is y2. So sxt, that is y1 plus y2, and that is, you will write a sine omega t plus minus kx plus phi naught and plus b cos omega t plus minus kx plus phi naught. This on simplification, you will write sxt amplitude of this. So resultant amplitude, let it is amplitude c or r equal root a square plus b square. This will be resultant amplitude. But you are not to focus over here at present. You have to focus this much only. And now I am going to write periodic wave motion, periodic wave functions. Please write. Periodic wave equation. Directly, this is periodic also. Y xt is r sine omega t minus kx plus phi naught. I have written this equation simple. Let phi naught is 0. So if phi naught is 0, then yxt is r sine omega t minus kx. So this is periodic with respect to time period t. It is periodic with respect to wavelength, and this is also periodic with respect to pi. Phase angle 2 pi. Sine function, cos function, both are periodic. So in this case, yxt, if x distance is x plus lambda into t, this is, if distance is, meaning is this, that after this is, suppose after time this and this is by wavelength lambda, by time t, and by phase difference capital T, and by phase difference is 2 pi. Same phase, this point after wavelength lambda, after time t, after phase difference 2 pi. phase will be same. So this is value of y is same. Displacement of particle after time t will be same. Displacement after wavelength lambda will be same. Displacement of particle after phase 2 pi will be same. So in this case, this is the r sine omega is 2 pi by t into t minus k. K is k only, that is 2 pi by lambda. K is 2 pi by lambda and x plus lambda. On simplification, you will simplify this. On simplification, you will find same. This is r sine omega t minus kx. You can simplify. Lambda and lambda will cancel. That is 2 pi by lambda times of x. This is kx, and again k. You will write k again. 2 pi by lambda into lambda. Lambda cancel. This is the plus 2 pi. So sin 2 pi plus theta equal sin theta. On simplification, we will find this one only. If you want, I am explaining this. This is r sin 2 pi by lambda t minus 2 pi by lambda times of x and minus, and this is lambda and lambda cancel, 2 pi. R sin omega t minus kx. So you can take minus as a sign, no matter. So 2 pi plus theta equal minus sin theta. Again minus will transfer, or you may write like this way. You can take minus as a common, r sin, and this will be minus 2 pi by t into t plus 2 pi by lambda x plus 2 pi. Sin 2 pi plus theta, this is taken as theta. Sin 2 pi plus theta equals sin theta. That is minus r sin minus 2 pi by t plus 2 pi by, this is 2 pi by t into t and 2 pi by lambda. This is the lambda times of x. This is, now it is converted into positive. This is negative, this is positive, and this is this value 2 pi by lambda times of x. Now again transfer to this side, negative to inverse. So you may write r sin 2 pi by t small t into t minus 2 pi by lambda is kx, and this is omega. So you may write r sin omega t minus kx. Same you have got. You added over here plus lambda, but on simplification same result you will finding. This implies at x distance, let it is x, and this is x plus lambda. There will be no change. Phase will be same phase. So that is after a period. This is wavelength lambda is periodic, and I am rubbing it. And similarly, time period t, that is also periodic. I am showing this yx plus, this is y, the yx, and this is t plus capital T. This is, so in place of, if you write t plus capital T, This is r sine omega t plus capital T minus kx. On simplification, same you will find. This is r sine omega t minus kx. On simplification, same you will find, because omega equal 2 pi by t, the t and t will be cancelled, and you will find same omega t, no difference will be, because in this place omega t plus omega t, and omega t is 2 pi, so this becomes r sine, from this omega t plus 2 pi minus kx, and coming from this to this one, omega t and omega into capital T is 2 pi minus kx, and sine 2 pi plus theta equals sine theta, so same minus or same r sine omega t minus kx. Again you have got, so that again here if you are writing plus 2 pi, so same you will find r. If so, this is if you are writing plus, here is not phi function, but in this I am telling you this is periodic with 2 pi also. Since if this is the angle yxt is r sine omega t minus kx, this is the theta plus 2 pi. So what will you find? Same answer, r sine omega t minus kx, because you know it very well. I am repeating this. Omega t minus kx plus 2 pi, you know it very well. Again I am writing this, that is sine 2 pi plus theta equals sine theta, so this is r sine omega t minus kx. So this implies, this is the information, very simple, right? Information you are getting that wave function is periodic with wavelength lambda, periodic with time period t, periodic with phase angle 2 pi. So this y position, phase angle position, phase at this point equal at this point, any point with path difference lambda, phase will be same. This is the sense of periodic. Okay, this is over. In case you have any problem, please clear it. In this fundamental basic is this, y equal r sin omega t minus kx, y equal r sin omega t minus kx plus phi naught. You derived this one only. I focus to derive this one only, and later other equations you can form yourself too. There is no basic that you will move. I am transforming only, I am doing nothing. I did two work. By substituting value I transformed it. Or second, what did I did, that is periodic with time period capital T and with wavelength lambda and 2 pi, phase angle 2 pi. In this I put over at angle, this is a total angle, in angle plus 2 pi, same angle, same result I am getting. In this, in place of time t, t plus capital T, or in this at place of x I am writing x plus lambda. So on simplification, same this result you will find. This is the over. Okay, best of luck. In case you have any doubt, you are not to do any rectification, only transformation is to do. And if you are having any doubt, any problem, please discuss to me. I'll explain, comment, and please subscribe and help to other students also. Inform them, they can understand this. Okay, best of luck. I have taken 1 minute. I have taken some time for explanation only. Main basic is this, and there are only 2 points. I am substituting the value is what is the value of omega, what is the value of k, and nothing I'm doing. Converting into time functions, converting into 2 pi by lambda velocity functions, k functions, and so on. And next, periodic in this time period t lambda and 2 pi. Okay, best of luck.